Hello, hello guys. This is a video of the introduction of the Julia sets and ownership. As you can see, this is my project. And these sliders are like for changing changing the rotation, color, X and Y, and for the duration. I will make a quick demonstration. If you do like this, you're gonna rotate it. And but if I decrease the iteration, it will make like this, and if I increase, it will do like this. And if I change the form, I will slide to the U1 or like this, or X1 for the form here. And so this color is for the slider for changing colors. If I switch again, this one here has got, and then I can zoom in and zoom out on the burning ship, and also make a rotation here. Thanks.
Hello. So in this project I am visualizing the Mandelbrot set, which is a well-known fractal generated from a simple mathematical equation. What makes it interesting is that even though the formula is very basic, it produces extremely complex and detailed patterns. Each point on the screen represents a calculation, and depending on how that value behaves, it forms the fractal structure you see. So you can interact with the visualization in real time with the using of the keys like WASD for the movement of the canvas in different directions, and with the Q and E keys you can rotate the canvas towards the right and towards the left, and using the plus and the minus key on your numpad you can literally zoom in and zoom out. So as you zoom deeper into the Mandelbrot set, new and unique fractal patterns keep appearing, which shows the infinite detail and self-similar nature of the fractals. As visible on the screen, you can see them. So this is all the project is all about. Thank you.